Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to upload videos to YouTube from Android. Firstly, I need to mention that there is no difference by uploading a video to YouTube from Android and uploading a video to YouTube from iPhone. It is the same process with a simple steps. Firstly, you need to launch the application, and then what you need to do, as you can see right down, you have 5 options. The third option, in which is for creating section with a plus icon, just click on that, and here you're gonna find out 3 options. You need to choose the second one, which is upload a video. Click on it, and then here you're gonna be able to select a video from your gallery. For example, this one, go next, and then just go next again, and with this you're gonna be able to get up this video into your session on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon, guys.